Hey, Songwriter Monday once again. Okay, out of my way. Okay. Let's write a song. New song. Usually I'll start my songwriting process with just letting my fingers run over the fretboards until I find some riff I like. But tonight, another way I do it is sometimes I'll just look at the lyrics and a melody will kind of occur to me, and then I'll figure out how to play it. I can't read music, but that don't mean I can't write it. I just can't write it so anyone else can understand it. You know, I kind of like the tab method where I write the chord over, or a rough approximation of the chord, because as you can see, I've got 3 strings here and 2 notes, and I think everything I play is pretty much a power chord on this bass. I strum a bass, you're not supposed to do that, no. So, it helps to try and write by melody sometimes too, because it breaks you out of habits that you get into when you're songwriting by chords or by chord progressions or riffs or things like that. So, let's see how I do tonight. Right away in my 2016 Lyric Notebook 2, I've come across a song called Everybody Rides a Motorcycle. And now let's see if I can, what kind of occurs to me. I'm in the key of E flat, random again. It's a good key to be in though, because to me that's kind of a rock and roll key. Your motorcycle, an exciting way to get around. Your motorcycle. Slipping in out of town. Everybody loves a flashing car. Everybody loves your motorcycle. Okay, I think I got it all worked out now. Here's Everybody Rides a Motorcycle. You're a motorcycle, an exciting way to get around. You're a motorcycle, prone to slip in and out of town. And everybody rides a motorcycle. Everybody loves the danger and flash. Everybody rides a motorcycle till it rains or they crash. I'm a motorcycle. I'm power and wind in your hair. I'm a motorcycle. damn, better hold tight while you can. Dang, some gang got a jacket for you, man. Fuck some truck or some family minivan, cutting over unawares. Gonna splatter, scatter, shatter, and this motorcycle love affair. And everybody rides a motorcycle. Everybody loves the danger and flash. Everybody rides a motorcycle. Everybody rides a motorcycle. They're cheaper and devil may care. Everybody rides a motorcycle till their guts spill or there's a chill in the air. I rather like that. All right, till the next Monday.